Hello everyone, welcome to the module 2, importing data import and the cleaning. So in this module, there will be two important parts we are going to discuss. That is how to import the data into Excel, like if we want to import the data from text file or CSV file or external database, how we are going to do it that, and what are the data cleaning techniques. So there will be a most of the time the data will be used, so we need to remove some if there is a duplicate, so we need to remove those, right? Otherwise those will impact on our final insights. So if there is a data is missing, so how we can handle that missing data? We need a quality of a data. We need the maintain the integrity of a data before getting some insight from that. Otherwise, if the quality of the data is not good, then we will not get the correct insights from that, right? So in this module, we are going to discuss about the importing of a data and the data cleaning techniques. So let's begin. So what will be the agenda of our this module? So we are going to discuss about the importance of a data import, why importing data into Excel is a crucial for analysis and decision making. I will demonstrate how to import the data from the different sources, and even we will discuss about how we can apply the data cleaning techniques. So I will demonstrate various data cleaning techniques, including removing duplicates row, correcting the inconsistent data entry, handling the outliers that we will discuss in the next module, then converting data types for uniformity. Then we'll discuss how ensuring the data integrity through the duplicate removal and handling missing data. And in this, the most important thing, utilizing the text to column feature. So text to column feature is nothing but if you have a lot of things in one column, like I have a date, like 22 Jan to 2022, but I only need years for that particular some particular insight. So what I can do it, I can use the text to column. I will split that one and get it only and only years from that, and I can get the insight from that. So text to column features is very important. We are going to discuss about that, and by end of the session you all will have a comprehensive understanding of how to import the data into Excel, and how to clean it for accuracy and maintain the data integrity through the duplicate removal and handling missing data. Okay, and you will able to use the efficiently structured data using the features like a text to column. Okay, so let's begin importing a data into the Excel. So there are a diverse data sources, but we will discuss three main sources like text file, CSV, and external database. Okay, so importing a text file, it's very easy. We are going to just go to the data tab, and you will have there a options that from text or CSV. So for text file and CSV, both you are going to use the same thing. You will click on that, choose your choose your text file and load that one. So in this, there will be a lot of options you will get it to do that one. So I'll show you first how to import the text file. So what we will do it on the data. So right now, everything is hide. I'm not able to use it. So what you need to do it, you just click on any one cell and make it active. So I'm going to use this. Go to the data tab, go to the from text CSV, choose your CSV file or choose your text file. So we are doing text, so we will choose the text file, import. Okay, so now you can get it. File origin will be coming here. Delimiter will be coming here. So in your text file, there can be a possible each uh, item is separated by column or comma or equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, custom and fixed width. So right now in our text file, it is custom. So we will go with that, or you can check it with, so it's not a comma, it is not a comma, it is not a semicolon actually, or not it is taking a space. So space is only the last one. So we will choose the custom. So because of that, our all the columns are getting ready, separated. So you can get a preview here, and based on that you can choose. So you can choose what data type detection you want. You want based on the first 200, based on the entire database. Do not detect the data types. So it's up to you. You can choose that option and load that. So now you can see my text file is getting load here in the Excel. It's very easy. There are a lot of options here. Lot of things are there. So you can choose and try it based on that. Next is a CSV file. So how to import the CSV file? It's same. Go to the from CSV, choose your CSV file and load that one. Okay. So let's do that one also. So we will choose from CSV file. I have a CSV file. This is my CSV file. You can see here. So it's a comma separated values file. Import. So obvious here, the by default, the delimiter is a comma. If you don't take it, you can see the each value is separated by a comma. So obvious, you need to choose the comma and load your data. It's very easy. I hope you understood. Okay, it's that much easy. And now last one is very important, that is connecting the external database. Okay, so for that you need to go to the same data tab, go to the get data from database. You need to connect your database and write the name of your server and okay. Then from that you can choose your database and import that one. So let me first start my SQL server. So I will explain you. We'll connect it, and now I'm going to choose from the get data, go to the from database, from SQL server database, we will connect. There are other options are there. I'll show you that one later. Write a name of your server and connect it. Okay. So once you connect with your server from the Excel, it will show you all your database. Okay. Based on that, which table you want to import, you can import that one. Select that table and load it. It's that easy. Okay, so now here your database is imported from your server, SQL server. So here other options are there, like from database, SQL server is there, Microsoft Access database is there, from analysis service is there, and from SQL server analysis service database is there. But right now we are going to use only SQL server, so this is enough. Okay, understood? So you have learned about all the three importing data, so from the data from the all the three sources like text file, CSV file and external database. Okay, you can do the more practice on that. There will be a exercise assignment is given after this module, so you will get try to do it on using the hands on. Okay, so data next is the data cleaning techniques. So why data cleaning is very, very important. So as you know, there is a possibility that whatever data you are going to get it, those can have a duplicates, those can have a missing, because everybody, when we give the survey, all columns, all information doesn't given by the customers or doesn't given by the person. They don't want to share everything, so sometimes the few feeds will be null, they don't have any value, they don't give any values. So some will be filled, some will not be filled. So there can be a possibility the whatever data we are collecting, that is not a pure data, that is not a quality of a data. There can be a possibility people are there are duplicates, there can be a missing data. So how to ensure that data quality? So for that we should first do the data cleaning, and data cleaning's first step is removing the duplicates. So first what you need to do it, you need to find out all the duplicates in your data, remove those duplicates first, okay, because we don't want the same information should use while taking out the insight. So what we do it, we go to the data tab, and there is an option like remove duplicates. So you can select for a duplicate check and confirm and remove all the duplicates. So I will show you how to do that. So now we have this one. I'll just select this and I'll go to the data. Okay. Remove the duplicates. So it will ask you from which column. So do you want to check it in a specific columns, because we have these many columns here, or you want to select full data? So you can select all the columns. Okay. So 4 duplicates values were found and removed. Okay. So 5,458 unique values remain now. Okay. So we'll click on that. Done. It's very easy for removing the duplicates. Okay, so this is a simple process. Next is handling the missing data. So there are different methods to handle the missing data. So we can deal with those data gaps. So addressing this missing data is very, very crucial for maintaining the data integrity and ensure the accurate analysis. Okay, so in this you can choose the filter functionality, where you can identify and manage the rows with missing data, or you can fill and replace the techniques. Okay, so more in a details I will explain you in the module 3, but now I'm showing you the basic thing. So first one is a filter functionality. So how are we going to do it? We will highlight the data range, go to the data tab, click on the filter, use the filter option to sort and isolate the missing data. Okay, and address or analyze the missing data as needed. So what we are going to do it, we will go here. One second. So you can choose anything, go to the filter. So now what happened, it has filtered all your columns. It gives you a this kind of arrow where you will get to know what all the information you, what all the data is there in this column. Okay, so we will look for the blanks. So blanks will be always at the end. So go for each column and check it. So see here we have a blanks. Okay, so I'll deselect this all and I'll go only for the blanks. So now you can see in this column there are 3 blanks are there. So I need to check it, what is the role of this in this, what is importance of this, will it affect my analysis, is do I need to complete this data set, do I need to add the information here, how I will replace that one. So you need to take your own decisions regarding this based on your data set. Okay, so viewpoints are usually the 0. You need to check it how many are there. You can find out, you can replace that one with a constant, or you can replace by the median mode. You can use the statistical method to fill that data. So that is our next part, that is fill and replace technique. So what we do, we fill with a constant or we fill with the values. So we select the range with the missing data. we choose the format cells and in the number tab, select the text or the number as needed. Okay, or you can use the statistical measures, highlight the range and choose the fill option. So statistical method, we use the mean, median and the mode. Any of that you can choose and the fill. Okay, so you can replace and make your data complete. So fill and replace techniques benefits are what? It makes your data complete. It gives the consistency and preservation of our structure. And filter is gives us a efficiency, precision and the flexibility. Okay, so these are the main benefits of this two techniques: filter functionality and fill and replace techniques. Okay, so it's up to you. You want to come fulfill your data set by just filling the values, or you just need to remove those. So you can use any of these options. Take a decision based on the data import, what is the importance of that data in your insights. Okay, so removing data will reduce your data set numbers, right? So best option is to fill that one with the values. Next is text to column feature. This is very easy. So text to column feature in Excel is very powerful tool for breaking down and structuring the text data into the separate column. So this capability is particularly useful when dealing with the data that is initially combined or delimited in a single column. So now sometimes we get the full name. So but we don't want the full name of the person. We only want the first name of the person. So how we will get it? We cannot type each and everything, right? So in that case, we separate them. We break down that one column in the multiple columns. Okay. So we go to the data tab. We use the text to column, choose the delimited or the fix the width and specify that one and preview and finish that one. I'll show you that how we do it. I'll just make that things together now. So now if you see, we have a full name here. Okay. So I just want to split first name. I want to take it separate and the last name I want to take it separate. So what I will do it, I'll go to the data. I'll select the column, go to the text to column. Okay. Here it's showing you what column you have selected and what the data. Now, if you see here, they are separated by the space. So you can use the delimiter as a space. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. So now you can see we got our first name and last name separated. Same thing, we'll try it with the date. Now I want day, month and year should get separate. So they are not separated by space, right? They are not separated by comma. They are not separated by semicolon. So we'll choose the option other. They are separated by the dash. So now we use the delimiter as a dash and we'll go next and finished. Okay, so what happened here? Actually, it's a date column. So I'll just format that one. I'll just take that one as a number. So now we have our month, we have, day, month and year separated, right? So I hope you understood. This is a very easy thing, but very important and very useful thing in the data analysis, because we get the data in a one column most of the time. So text to column feature helps us to separate that one in a different columns and use in our analysis. So that is the important thing what we are supposed to learn in a data cleaning techniques. We learn about the how to remove the duplicates, how to handle the missing data, and what is the text to column feature. Okay, so that's it for this module. So what we have learned, that effective data import from the diverse sources. So this empowers the users with a comprehensive view and supporting the versatile analysis. We learn about the essential of the data cleaning techniques. It's a foundation of reliable analysis. It's a most important and important step before going to start or any analysis, because handling missing data and removing the duplicates contribute to the accurate insights and trustworthy decision making. And the most important features which provided in the Excel is the text to column feature, which is a valuable tool for structuring the text data efficiently. And we can choosing that one between the delimited and or fixed width option. So we need to just specify that one and preview and use that one. Okay. So that's it from this module. Congratulations on completing this module. Now you have that assignment after this module. Complete that one and submit on. Thank you all. See you soon in the next module. Bye.